is Robin and this is my closet. I hope you guys are having a wonderful Monday. Of course, it is Monday that I'm filming, but I just never know when I'm going to post it. So if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future videos, and a thumbs up if you like this video. I do have a little giveaway going. I will link the video where I talked about it, and let's get started. This time I have a Bolzano handbag subscription. This is a monthly subscription of handbags. It does handbags, it does accessories, and it does makeup. So they have like, I don't know, 4 different kinds of subscriptions that you can get. You can just get the bag, you can just get the bag and the accessories, you can get the bag, the accessories, and the makeup. There's all sorts of. So I will leave my link below, and there is also a coupon for a discount when you try it. So let's get into it. The last month's bag that I got was gorgeous. I meant to bring it here so I can show you what it looks like with actual items in it. And this subscription, I want to say, oops, I'm starting to droop again. Sorry about that. This subscription, I think, is $43 a month. Now, I had it and then canceled it and restarted it because, to be honest, I don't need a handbag every month. But they were coming out with some new ones, and I just couldn't resist. So this might be, I might put it on hold for another 2 or 3 months. So let's get into it. It comes in a very nice protector. It does cover, so that's what I like about it. And this month's bag, and I think I've seen people unbag this one, and the color, it's a mustard color, which I don't own any, but you have to think outside the box, and it's a great fall color. You can style it with almost anything, but it's such a nice size. It's not too big, it's not too small, and if you can see, it's got the B for Bolzano. I think it's taped, yeah. So it clips on and off, so if you don't want to put it on there, you want to use it as a keychain, very versatile. It's got the zipper in the back, and they wrap them really good. So when you open it up, it has a ton of room and a shoulder strap. So those of you that like crossbody or the shoulder style, it does that. And it also, you can carry it by the handle. And it has, not sure if you can see, it's got phone pockets, it's got all sorts of pockets, and it's got the zipper pocket in there. So this is really nice. And you want to just wear it that way, but I would not have picked this color, but now that I have it, I will definitely wear it. So let's get on to the accessories. There is a card in there describing what you get, and I am not a scarf wearer, but that must be their thing where they put the scarf in for an accessory. So I don't even know how to tie them. I'm gonna have to spend a night watching YouTubers tie scarves because I don't even know how to tie it. Oh, I just keep dropping everything. It is a really pretty scarf. It's got this lady on there. I don't know if you can see her. It's a very nice scarf, very colorful, but what you can do is you can tie it to the handle. Oops, let me see that. Tie it to the handle of your purse for a nice little pop of color or decoration. Let me see if I can do that. So that kind of looks nice as well. So that's the first thing. Then it looks like I got a pair of earrings, and I have something very similar, and I think I've worn them once. So I will be putting this in a giveaway or as a gift, because I won't be wearing those. The next thing is a silver cuff. So they do put nice accessories, everything to match. Now I have very skinny wrists. Probably the only thing skinny on the bod. And you can bend it, but what happens is it ruins the shape because you can't see everything. So this is nice. I'm not sure I'm going to keep this, but it is a nice piece for accessory. I got my phone on my thing backwards, so I keep going the wrong way. Then I got the one with the extra goodie bag. That's why it's like $43. And I didn't bring a scissor, so sorry. But the funny thing is, if I see a scissors inside the bag. Okay. It looks like, is it a manicure kit? Everything's sticking together. Oh, this is so nice. It's got the rose gold. I don't know if you can see that. The little scissors. I don't want to take it out. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep them, so I don't want to ruin everything. But it's a really pretty rose gold. And this looks like for eyelashes. It's a rose gold. Again, I'm not sure. I think I have a couple, and I'm definitely going to try putting on falsies, but I'm just not there yet. But this is, it's beautiful. Then it comes with, the rose gold eyelash curler. And I wish I can show you better, but everything is stuck. Hold on. It'll probably end up flying across the room. So very nice accessories and this beautiful little accessory bag to keep it in that I can't unzip. Oh, there we go. So give me 1 second. So you can put your accessories in there. Now I would not have picked this out as an accessory for myself because I don't use any of those, but it's very nice, and they, you know, trying to keep everybody happy. Sorry. Everybody happy with different accessories is probably a tough thing to do. That's why we have family and friends that we can share our products with. And there was one more thing in here, and it looks like it's a lip pencil. You can see the color, and I'm not going to, oh my goodness. And I'm not going to open it, but it is a lip liner. And it's actually a really pretty color, but again, not sure if I'm going to use it. So again, you know, sometimes with subscription boxes, it's hit or miss. You can get one and love everything, or you can get one and there's only one thing in there. So, but this, I love the purse. I really like the fact that they did all these accessories in rose gold. And to show you the bag again, it's got, I don't know if I showed you the front where it's got the Bolzano on here. So again, I will leave a link below if this is something that you want to try. I enjoy it. Again, you can do 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. You don't have to commit to 12 months of handbags. So you guys have an awesome day.